Hello everyone, welcome to Mann Maker. I am Ranjan Kalindi and today we are going to take class on part 2 of average. Okay, before this we have completed part 1 of average where we have discussed around 4 type of question. So total 7 type of question is there in this average. So we already completed 4 type of question in easy method. Okay, easy methods and trick. So whatever you exam you are preparing, any government competitive exam or RRB, SSC, JPSC, banking, ISRO, DRDO, CGL, TCS or any college placement exam, that kind of exam if you are preparing and quantitative aptitude chapter is subject is there in your exam, then just go through this series. It will helpful to crack your exam or score more in this subject. Okay. So for PDF and more updates you can join our Telegram channel. The link you will get in the description box, or else you can search this thing in your Telegram, you will get this thing. So just join this one, you will get all PDFs, notes and any updates you can get in that channel only. Okay. So till now we have covered 4 type of question. Now we will start type 5 of average. Okay, type 5 of this average. So in type 5 I told you type 5 is what? Type 5 is mistake based. Type 5 is mistake based. Okay, so in mistake based, whatever like question you will find, in that question you will see some mistake is there with the data, and again they will change that one with the correct data, and what is the average, like that they will ask. Suppose let's example see the question. The average of 50 observation was 36. Okay, the average of 50 observation was 36. It is found later that an observation 48 was wrongly taken 23. The correct mean is. Okay. So if you go through a book method, suppose then you have to then you have to take x. Let x, that number is x, then the average is x, then something we have changed, then like that you have to go with that method. So it will be little bit lengthy and complicated and calculative. So we are going directly in a easy way. Okay, so whatever question they are saying, x1, x2, x3, like that, what, x50, like that observation is there till 50. So this average is what, 36, it is given. Okay, and next what it is saying, it is found later that an observation 48 was wrongly taken 23, means the correct number is 48. The correct number is 48 and 23 is taken wrongly in this equation. Okay, so what is the correct mean? So we know the right data, we know the wrong data. So after that we have to do what, negative, means we have to take difference. So if you take difference it will come 25. Okay, so it will come 25. So there is a change of 25. Okay, again we will do 25 by this, whatever observation we have 50. So we have to take 25 by 50, that is equal to what, this will come 0.5. So this will come 0.5. So after that, for correct mean we have to do addition of these two. So 36 plus 0.5, that is equal to what, 36.5. So correct mean is 36.5. Option A is the right answer. Okay, like this you have to solve the question. Next, the average marks of 5 students were 50. It was found later that one student's marks was wrongly taken 20 instead of 25. Then what is the correct average for 5 students? Okay, so there are how many students? 5 students are there, and their average will be how much? 50 average is given on. Okay, then it was found later that student marks was wrongly taken 20 instead of 25. So 25 is the right marks. Okay, 25 is the right marks and they have taken wrongly 20. So we need to take the difference. So there is a 5 marks changes will be there in this. So 5 and divided by How many students? 5 students are there. So 5 divided by 5, this is equal to 1. So for correct mean we have to do addition of this 50 and 1. So 50 plus 1, that is equal to 51. So this is our correct mean. 51 is the right answer. Okay. So in this option there is no 51. So it is my mistake. By mistake I typed all these things. So 51 is the only right answer for this question. Okay, just correct this one. The average marks of 10 students were 63. It was found later that one student's marks was wrongly taken 40 instead of 70, and other student marks was wrongly taken 50 instead of 60. Then what is the correct average of 10 students? So here two data they have taken mistake. Two data has mistake is there in two data. Okay. So what we need to do? Again we have to go through question only. So there are how many students are there? Total 10 students are there and average is 63. Okay. Now see the first data. First data, what is the for one student marks was wrongly taken 40 instead of 70. So correct data is 70. Correct marks is what? 70, and wrongly they have chosen 40. Okay. Now for other student, correct marks is 60. Correct marks is 60 and wrongly they have taken 50. Okay. Now if we see total correct marks is what? Total correct marks is 130 and total wrong marks is 90. Okay. So if we see the changes in correct value and wrong value, then we have to do this minus. Okay, we have to find the gap. So 130 minus 90, that is equal to what? 40. Okay, and this 40 total student, how many students are there? Total 10 students are there. So 0 0 get cancelled. There is a so it will come 4. There is a change of 4 marks. So if we need to see the correct mean, for that what we need to do? 63 plus 4, that is equal to what? 67. So option C is the right answer. Likewise you need to solve this type of question in a easy way. Okay, do not make more complicated and more calculative. Now coming to type 6. In type 6 the method name is what? Type name is cricket based. Okay, cricket based question you will find, inning based you will find, score based question you will find in this type. So question is what? A cricket player scores 48, 46, 45 and 44 runs respectively in his 4 innings. He will score how many runs in his 5th inning so that his average become 50 run. Okay. So if you go with long method or more calculative method, then you have to do 48 plus 46 plus 45 plus 44 plus x. This 5th inning we don't know how much they have scored. So this is what? X. So total how much? 5 innings is there and average is 50. So if you calculate this thing and whatever you get the value of this x, that is the answer only. But you can find answer like this also, but it will take more time and more calculative. So we will go another method, that is shortcut method. So what we will do? How many innings are there? First inning, second inning, third, fourth and fifth. 5 innings is there total. What is the average? 50 is the average. 50 is the average. Okay. So in first inning they are scoring 48 and second inning 46, third inning 45, fourth inning 44 and in 5th inning we don't know how much need to score, so that we need to only find. Now what we will do? We will take gap of all these things. We will do minus. So 50 minus 48 2, 50 minus 46 4, 50 minus 45 4, 5 and 50 minus 44 6. And 50 minus, we don't know this thing, so this is 0. So it is 50 only. So now if we add all these things, if we add all these things, then we will get how much? This is 6, 7 and this is 10, so it will come 67. Okay, option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. So like that you need to calculate, so you no need to go for more calculative and lengthy. It will take less time also. See here, same question, a cricket player scores 46, 52, 54 respectively in his 3 innings. He will score how many runs in his 4th inning so that his average becomes 55 run? So how many innings are there? First, second, third, fourth, to total 4th inning is there. Average is how much? 55. Average is how much? 55. Okay, and in first inning what is the score? 46. Second inning 52, third inning 54 and 4th inning we don't know. Okay, so now what we need to do? We have to find the gap. So 55 minus 46 is 9. 55 minus 52 is 3 and 55 minus 54 is 1. 55 minus 0 is 55. Now what we need to do? We have to take addition of all these things. So if you add this thing, so what it will come? 9 plus 1, this is 10 and this is 58, so total 68. So answer is what? 68. Option C is the right answer. Okay, so like this you need to solve this type of question, so you will not get more calculative and it will not take that much time. Okay, now coming to last type, type 7. In type 7, what is the name of this type? Age related. Age related question you will find in a average form. Okay, so in type 7 what you need to do? You will find age related question. Average age of 11 men is 23 years. If one man left them, then their average decreases by 1.5 year. Then what is the age of men who left them? Okay, now whatever they have told in question, likewise you have to convert all this thing in a mathematical form. Okay, so 11 men, the average age of 11 men is 23 year. Okay, 23 year. So I told you before also in before class, like if you need to find the summation of average, then what we need to do? Whatever average we have, then you need to multiply that one in the number of observation. So 23 into 11, that is equal to 253. Okay, now what they are saying in next sentence, if one man left, so before 11 men is there, now one man left, so total how much men will be there? 10 men is there, and their average decreases by 1.5 year. Before it is 23 year, now it is decreases by 1.5 year. So if we minus this thing, 23 minus 1.5, so it will come 21.5. So after decreasing of 1.5, the average age will become 21.5 year. So now for 10 men, average is how much? 21.5 year. If we want to take summation, then what we need to do? 21.5 into 10, that is equal to 215. Okay, now we know all the summation, all these summation. Now we need to find the man who left, that man. We need to find the what is the age of that man. So this is 253 and this is 215. So if we minus this thing, 253 minus 215, so it will come 38, and this 38 is the answer, option C. So the man who left, that is 38 year. Now again for next question, the average age of 36 students is 14 years. If teacher's age is included, then the average age increased by 1 year. Then what is the age of the teacher? Okay, so first see, 36 students are there. So 36 students, average age is how much? 14. So we need to convert this thing in summation form. So 14 into 36, that is equal to 504. Okay. Now see the another sentence. If teacher's age is included, one person we need to include. So 36 plus 1, that is equal to 37. Now total person means students plus teacher, that is how much? 37 total persons are there, and the average age is what? Average age is increased by 1 year. Before it is 14 year, now 1 year increases, so it will become 15 year. Now again we need to find summation of this, so it will come 5, 5 and 5. Okay. Now what we need to do? We need to find this gap. So we have to minus this thing, 555 and 504. If you minus this thing, then it will come 51. So teacher age is how much? Teacher age is 51. Option B is the right answer. So likewise you need to follow all this method if you want to solve question in a less time and in a easy way. So we have completed total type 7 of this average chapter. Now in the next class we will see some more questions related to average, and we are going to solve them using this method only. And these all questions you will see from the exams, whatever exam till now happened, from that exam we will take all the question and we will solve in the next class. Okay. Now you need to comment this answer in a comment box without using your pen, but just see your this question and write the answer in a comment box. Okay. So till now, if you like this video, just hit like in a like button, just share this one, and if you not subscribe my channel, just subscribe the channel, so you will be in the touch always. Okay. Thank you.